everyone. Today I'm presenting our project EcoSocket. And you will understand that saving money on electricity was never so easy. So let's start with the problem that we solved. The problem is that up to 40% of the electricity is going not everywhere. So it means that you just pay for it, but you don't actually use it. So even in Kazakhstan, where consumption is not so big, it is 5.4 gigawatt hour electricity per year. So it is dramatically affects on the air pollution and can save up to $400 million even in Kazakhstan. So here's the solution that we provide. The solution consists of two parts. The first part is a mobile application that we developed, and it lets you to control all of your devices wherever you are. It lets you to monitor how much power they are using at the moment. And of course it is about security. When something is wrong with the mobile, with the devices that is connected to the system, it will notify you that something is wrong with your television or short circuit or something. On the other hand, we have this adapter, hardware device, IoT device, that connects to your socket. And you can plug whatever you want, television, lamp, or everything. Of course, you can monitor and control all of your devices. In the last year, we were working on that project, and we understand that working with hardware and manufacturing is a very tough question. And now we are focusing on the AI intelligence of the system, and we are providing algorithms to make a perfect plan to save the energy. So here's the EcoSocket and how it looks like. It is comfort, it is security, and it is economy. So here's some facts. In this table, you can see all the home appliances and how much power does they consume even in standby mode. That means that 20 hours a day they are in standby mode, and per year it is very huge economy. Let's stick to our clients. Our market is B2C and B2B. B2C is ordinary people, and we are providing ready solutions for them. But actually we are focusing on the B2B market, because working with the small and medium businesses, offices in these industries is very convenient for us, because there we can save up to thousands of dollars for them. Okay. Actually in B2C we have premium and basic functionality is for free, and advanced analytics is paid. Okay, here's the competitors that we have. It is smart houses. They are so smart, but they are not so affordable for the people. And sensor switches, they are cheap, but they are not so smart. And here's EcoSocket is going to be. It is smart and it is affordable. Okay, there are a lot of competitors that work in the same direction. For example, Belkin, Vimo, Legrand, Philips, and a lot of others. And we don't treat them as competitors. They are our partners. They are providing hardware, and most of them have their open APIs. That means that we can develop this one software or one mobile app that can control all of them, and still we are considering the usage of the energy. Okay, in August and September of 2015, we are going to start limited sellings and beta testing of the product. And even now we have more than 100 pre-orders for the system in Kazakhstan. Actually, several days ago, we contacted with the Indiegogo, and maybe in the near future we will start the campaign here. Okay, after we started reaching on all of the competitions, a lot of companies were interested in our product, and even now we established as a startup, and we are working with 3 of them. One of them is the biggest distributor of Siemens controllers in Kazakhstan, and we developed the same system but for their hardware. That makes a big economy for them. Okay, that's the revenue model. As I said, we are developing software, intelligent software, and that there is a premium account. Even now, we have a good profit. Okay, once again, in 2014, Echelon company were interested in our startup and supported us with a mentorship and some funding, some grants. And in the same year, the government of our city, Almaty city, invested in our project and give the connections with a lot of supplier companies. I'm really proud to say that very, very strong team. We have 2 software developers, 2 electronic engineers, and 1 project manager. And I'm really, really proud to say that 2 programmers in our team are the top 10 programmers in Kazakhstan according to the Codeforce's competitive list. So we came up with this idea more than 1 year ago, and so we started competing on the competitions, even in Echelon. I'm really proud to stay here. And everywhere we have interest in our product, and that was quite amazing. So thank you very much. Now I'm going to show you some demonstration of the product. Okay, so here's the EcoSocket. You just plug it into your socket. And for example, this is the ordinary lamp. You just plug it in. After that, I have my mobile application. I just launch the application. It connects to the socket. It connects to the Wi-Fi at your home, and you can manage all of them, wherever you are, whatever you have the mobile internet. And when you turn it on, you can see how much power it is using at the moment. Of course, we have this statistics about the usage for a week, for months, and all of that. But the main part is that we are developing an intelligent system to save your money. Thank you very much.
Thank you, EcoSocket. The judges can now answer 1 to 2 questions. Thank you.
So, currently you've pre-sold 100 units of the sockets. Okay, more than 100. So, in terms of unit economics, how many do you need to sell to be break-even on a unit basis?
Actually, the unit price of the product is very connected to the order, to the volume of the order. For example, now we are connecting with some manufacturers in Shenzhen, and if we order for 100 units, it will be about $24 per unit. And if we order for thousands of them, it will be about $14 per unit. So it is connected dramatically, actually. And it is now we are looking for the seed investments for the project, and of course we are trying to do this project very, very affordable for the ordinary people.
Is it possible, if you look at it at a hardware standpoint,
yeah.
What is the incremental cost increase if you put in more sensors related to CO2 detectors or other microbial detectors in terms of your hardware? Like, does it increase the cost significantly? Because adding those functions, I think, increases your value proposition significantly, much more so than the actual cost increase.
Yeah, of course. We have done a great research in that direction, and now we understand that this is the core technology, actually. And as I said, we are moving in the direction of the VMO and all this stuff that they provide. So we are providing them the intelligent system, so intelligent software that is hard to copy, and that's why we are actually moving in that direction. And it's not going to work on the hardware, and we are focusing on the software side. Yeah. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, judges. Thank you, EcoSocket.